In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply for Medicaid in Florida. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find all of the Medicaid options for Florida and how to apply or renew. So all that you have to do is go over to medicaid.gov. You can follow along using your phone or a computer. So just open a web browser on any device that you prefer to use and go to medicaid.gov. When you arrive at this page, you will be able to browse through all of the options available on the website. So you can go over to this page, learn how to apply for coverage if you would like extensive help, but for the most part, all that you have to do is be redirected into the appropriate website. So as you can see, where can people get help with Medicaid and CHIP? You must contact your state Medicaid agency to apply for Medicaid or CHIP, see if you are eligible, check on a Medicaid application, get a Medicaid replacement card, check on claims, and find a Medicaid healthcare provider. So through this page, you will be able to find a lot of information, and all that you have to do here is choose your state. So assuming that you want to apply for Medicaid in Florida, just click or tap on Florida on the map or browse through the links available here if you scroll down. When you click or tap on Florida, you will be able to be redirected into the Florida Agency for Healthcare Administration, the Florida State contacts, eligibility, enrollment, and you can also call these numbers here if you prefer. When you go over to any of these enrollment pages, you will be able to start the process of applying. Now, sadly, I cannot show you this full process on screen. It contains a lot of personal information, and you need to do it on your own time. You will be able to follow the on-screen instructions to apply. So most of these websites will have some sort of portal that you need to sign into. In the case of the Florida Department of Children and Families, you will have to go through My Access portal. You can apply for food cash and Medicaid, and you will be able to go to an office to finish your application. Most of the time, you will need to start this process online and finish in office, so keep that in mind. You can contact them through these numbers here if you would like the additional help, and you will be able to get all the help you need to apply for Medicaid. I hope I was able to help you on how to apply for Medicaid in Florida. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.